Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. I was not marked safe from today's Disney releases. The American Girl and Disney collab today, it just blew my mind. I bought everything. I bought the three princesses and I bought all of their outfits. In this video, I'm going to unbox Ariel and her two extra outfits. So if that's something you'd like to see, keep watching this video. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. So this is what she looks like in the box. That's her box. It says Disney Princess Ariel. It has a picture of her. Look how pretty. So these dolls don't have Swarovski crystals, but at the price point of $125, I can buy those crystals myself if I want to. The quality is just so good. It's very, very comparable to the limited edition dolls that we had earlier, that we had last year. Okay, so her face is so sweet. The eyes are listed as aqua on the website. This is her outfit. There's a lot of sparkle. The outfit isn't made out of super high quality material. And the shoes are nice too. So yeah, let me take her out of the box. And I'm going to be super careful. In case you guys didn't know, I'm a super huge Disney fan. And I used to be obsessed with Ariel growing up. I don't condone your behavior as an adult, but as a child, I absolutely loved her, probably because she was a mermaid. And you know, when you're a kid, you love magical things more than anything. I'll do my best to post the other two unboxing video, one of Tiana and one of Cinderella, and their outfits tomorrow. So that would probably be somewhere between 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. I decided to make them as separate videos so you guys could see them, the dolls that you want to see, basically. Look how her arms are protected. I really like this. This is definitely a high quality collab. I'm really impressed. They did not want for those arms to get any dye transfer or wherever. I don't think you get dye transfer from this type of fabric though. The outfit is clearly inspired by the Disney Store Ariel costumes, more so than by the actual outfit from the Little Mermaid movie. This Ariel does not have seashells. She has this kind of pretty purple top, and that's the kind of costume that Disney Store sells for Ariel. We used to buy those a lot. Yeah, it is very, very much like a Disney Store costume of Ariel. And you see there's those things on the bottom like fins. She comes with a necklace. It's metal. The seashell is metal, which I'm really happy about. So this is a really high quality collab. She also comes with this flower on the side. The flower is made out of fabric and it has this jumbo rhinestone in the middle. It's not a Swarovski crystal. Look, there's a lot of sparkle, and I'm gonna say the fabric in general is very similar in quality to the fabrics that were used on limited edition dolls. And this is only $125. Look, everything's super sparkly. Like the top is pretty sparkly, but it's the kind of sparkle that doesn't really rub off if you try to, move it around. And the bottom part has printed scales on it. And I'm thinking about maybe embroidering those scales. Well, we'll see. Okay, so these two parts on the bottom, they are supposed to be fins. And because of the way it's made, she can still stand on the ground. And here are the shoes. I think they're pretty detailed. So the purple part is made out of faux leather or vinyl or whatever that is. And the little seashells are plastic with glitter. Now let's talk about her features. She obviously has Nanea mold. Her skin tone is pretty light. I believe this is number 10, but I'm not 100% sure. I like how her eyebrows and eyelashes are painted with a paint that's kind of reddish. It's a reddish brown, and I think it's a really nice touch. Her eyes are listed as aqua, and they might be new color or it might be the same as Marie Grace's eye color. Her lips are this very soft rosy pink, very nice for a Disney princess and not too pink at all. Her hair is absolutely gorgeous. I took the net off. Look at how the bangs are styled. Of course, it's impossible to style them exactly the same way as they are in the cartoon because, that's not real hair. And it was supposed to be underwater too. But I think they did a pretty good job. I wasn't able to pick a doll at the store based on her wig because they're all in the net. But I think I lucked out. I really like how the bangs are styled. So the rest of the wig is really nice. The color is bright. Oh, she almost fell. Back to her hair. It's really bright. It's very nice and vibrant red color. The hair is soft and there's a lot of it. So it's not a thin wig. It's styled pretty nicely. I think the curls are perfect. And I would totally keep them the way they are. But I will have to change them up a little bit probably because I do want to play with it. As you can see, there are some short hairs in the wig, but that's pretty standard. And let me just show you what her outfit looks like from the back. There's nothing special, but there are details. It's not just the front. The back also has some details. It looks very pretty. It's a nice outfit. And like I said, this is definitely inspired by the Disney Store costume. I moved her hair all to one side and I think she looks just gorgeous. And I'm getting Aphrodite vibes. Do you remember the painting by Botticelli? I think I'm getting that kind of vibes. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, she is my favorite from this release and I absolutely love her. She is such a beauty. If you're thinking about getting her, I'm going to say get her. And also, I'd like to point out that she's wearing these teal underpants, which is a nice touch. So they all get their own underpants that are different. The tag is the same. There's nothing on the tag that indicates this is a special doll. And she has a star on her foot. I know some people don't like that, but I personally don't care if this is the new thing for American Girl doll. My dolls usually wear shoes anyway. And now let me show you the shoes. I took them off so we could get a better look. Yeah, I think they are pretty detailed. They look very similar to Belle's shoes. Remember the limited edition Belle doll? Minus the glitter, so I think they are good quality. And I took off her outfit. It's one piece. You cannot separate it. This is what it looks like. It has a tag that said Disney Princess on it. All outfits from this collection have this tag. Now let's move on to this outfit. This outfit is called Ariel Castle Ball Gown and it comes with Sebastian. If you remember, she was wearing this pink dress a lot when she was in the castle when Prince Eric found her. So let's take a look at it. It is quite an iconic dress, although this is not my number one favorite outfit from Ariel's collection. Let's take a look. Oh, and look, it even says Disney on the tissue paper. Nice touch. Wow, this dress is so pretty. And they say pink and redheads don't go well together. I disagree with that. The dress looks, wow, it actually is pretty full. The skirt is really big. I think it needs an underskirt. So if you have something from Mary Ellen or from any other historical character, you can use it here. Let's take a look. So the bottom part, the white part, is a little bit plasticky. Yeah, you can hear the sound, right? The same fabric they used for the limited edition dolls, which I wasn't happy with. But the pink part is satin and it has this printed design, which is really, really pretty. And for $55, I think I'm going to embroider on top of that design, hand embroider. I think that would be an improvement. So the back of the dress does not have the print, but it's still pretty detailed. You see the sleeves, the sleeve part, the puffy parts, they're all there with the sparkly iridescent stripes. Here's the top. It also has that design. Everything is really well made. I wouldn't say this is a high quality fabric, but it's not low quality fabric either. So for $55, I'm absolutely happy with this. Now let's take a look at what else. The shoes. The shoes are really pretty. They are part glitter, part not glitter. And they have small heels, which I think is really cute too. I think these are nice, really nice quality shoes. They go well together with the dress. And they're not too sparkly. They're just sparkly enough. And the pink color is also really nice. It's a little bit peachy, not super peachy, but just a tiny little bit. I am really happy that American Girl and Disney decided to add Sebastian to this set. He's such an iconic character, probably the best one. Super funny, fan favorite. And he has a huge smile on his face. And somebody posted under one of my previous videos that this face was their face when they saw the prices for this collab, which I'm totally agreeing with. And the last item in this set is a hairpin. And it's a hairpin that American Girl has made several times before, maybe with differently colored stones. It's metal, so that's all nice. Here's everything that came in the set. For $55, I think this is a good deal, especially if you compare it to something like the Wicked outfits, which were more expensive. I think the quality is comparable. The design on the dress is not embroidered, but I did not expect for it to be embroidered because that's not what American Girl does. Although the next dress will surprise us in that respect. So here's a hairpin. I had to restyle her hair just a little bit. And these parts of the skirt, look, it kind of like opens up like this. And it's really big. You see, it looks weird too. So you kind of have to keep that part in. And yes, we definitely need an underskirt to make this dress look better. I think it's going to be a big improvement. Plus, it's a little bit wrinkled right now. All of this can be fixed. The last set is called Ariel Dress, Flounder, and Accessories. Oh wait, Ariel Day Dress, Flounder, and Accessories. Here it is. Also has Disney on it. And this is by far my most favorite outfit from Ariel's collection. Might actually be from this entire release, although I do like Tiana's green outfit better, maybe. Anyway, this is definitely in the top 2. Look how pretty it is. Let's take a look at Flounder first. He is a plush toy, very soft, very, very adorable, squishy, and the right scale too. I'm really happy that they made him. Ariel got 2 sidekicks, which is great because not all characters did. Now let's take a look at the shoes. I think the shoes are such good quality. They have bows, and the bows on them match the bow that goes on her hair. I like the contrast between light blue and dark blue. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And just overall, the shape of the shoes, I just love everything about them. What else is next? We're going to take a look at the bow. And like I said, it matches the bows on the shoes. And it is made of this very lightweight, almost transparent fabric. I just love this color. It's just such a vibrant color, but at the same time, it's not too bright, not right in your face. I love it. Very, very nice. I did have a little bit of trouble getting on her hair, figuring out how to make it look good on her hair, but I figured it out in the end. And here's my favorite dress from Ariel's collection. So the top part, the light blue part, is the same material as the bow. And the sleeve, that part of the sleeve is stretchy, which is really helpful when you're trying to put the outfit on. Also, if you take a look on the inside of the dress, it's fully lined with the same kind of fabric. Very nice quality, I have to admit. For $55, amazing. The corset is made out of velvet material, and the top part has embroidery in it. Again, very, very impressive. The fabric is really nice. It feels nice to touch and it feels pretty expensive. So I love this dress. I love everything about it except for the fabric they used for the skirt. The skirt feels a little bit plasticky, but its redeeming quality is the embroidery. It's embroidered with silver thread, which is not easy to deal with. But look, the front and the back of the skirt are embroidered. Amazing quality, amazing value. I can't tell you enough how much I love this outfit. You see here, it also has Disney Princess on the tag. I love it. Anyway, don't forget to come back to my channel tomorrow because I have some news for you for the future of Disney and American Girl. Apparently, there are things happening. So this is everything that came in this set. Again, in my opinion, totally worth $55. If you're thinking about buying it and not sure if you want it or not, I'm going to say get it. It is a beautifully made set. Although American Girl said that they will be restocking them and they're not limited edition, they're general release, so no rush. You don't have to fear that these will sell out like the limited edition Barbie doll did. They will be available for a while. So let's take another look at all the details, how pretty it is. I think overall this is my favorite outfit for Ariel. Not just the doll, but as a character. It's just so pretty and goes so well with her colors, the hair, the eyes, everything. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely subscribe. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.